Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how to import videos in the Vidnoz AI website. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do simply we need to go to our website and we have to create our account. And after the account creation, we need to choose the AI character that which AI character you want to use. I have choose this one, and after choosing that, what we need to do simply we have to click on the video section. And after clicking on the video section, you will be able to see the different types of videos here. As you can see now the Pixel website is open. Now you have to choose that which video you want. If you want search any kind of a particular video, you can also do that. You will get that video here. For example, I am going to choose this video. So you have to click on this, and after clicking on this the video will be inserted into your timeline, into a main board. If you want a different type of video, you can also do that. Simply you have to go to the video section again. As you can see, the stock option is also provided here. My videos, your uploaded videos will be here. If you want to check out your brand videos, you can also do that. So these all options are provided here. For example, here's the video. As you can see, I have imported this video. If you want to increase the video quality, or if you want to increase the video size, you can also do that. As you can see, I have increased it. Now the video will also work. So in this way you can add the video into your so in this way you can add your video into your timeline, into your project of the Vidnoz AI website. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.